everyone, we are back yet again with another mystery soap video. Today we are making the 5th soap design, so let's get started. As always, I have my lye water solution here with sodium lactate and my base oils here, and this time I'm actually straining out my lye water solution because there was a little bit of lye lint that had not dissolved, so I want to keep that out of the soap, so I am straining that. Then we're going to mix this up with the stick blender as usual. Next, I have my mystery color here already dispersed, and I'm going to pour the purple into the uncolored soap batter, and then we're going to mix a little bit in again to get that two-toned swirl kind of color. And then I'm mixing that with my spatula here, and I'm slowly adding more purple. And I find that purples can be very hard to do with a yellow soap batter because yellow and purple are complementary colors, which means they cancel each other out. So you can see my soap batter's going a little bit of a gray tone, so I definitely have to add enough of the purple to color the yellow, but I don't want to overdo it and have them be too much of the same color. Then I'm also adding a little bit of a secret thing here to lighten up this color, and I'm just using the stick head to actually mix that because I don't want to blend yet, and then I'm adding more of the purple color to there. Now I have measured off my fragrance oil, and we are going to add that to the soap batter, and again I will be mixing that by hand with my spatula. Next, we're going to be pouring the purple batter into the lighter purple batter. We're going to do an in the pot swirl and scrape out all the soap into the bowl. And now we're just going to do a simple pour into the mold. And now with my soap frosting, I was very happy with how this color turned out. It was exactly what I wanted, and the frosting was the perfect consistency as well. Alright, and these are the embeds that we are going to be using for this soap design. So first up, all of the soaps are going to get one of the larger embed, and then on the side each soap will get 2 of the smaller embeds. So this is what the soap looks like with the embeds placed. I have to say I was so happy with how this one turned out, so we're going to let this set for a couple days before we unmold. Alright, and we are ready to cut the loaf into bars, so I'm lining up and making the first cut. And this is what the inside of the bar looks like. Alright, next we are going to be using our soap stamp here to make a little impression into each of these soap bars there. And I always prefer to do the stamping right away when the bar is still soft. Alright, and this is how the bar of soap turned out. Overall, I'm a really big fan of this one. And let's move on to the hint. At the end of the day, ready for sweet slumber, sheep's passing by as I count the number. Under the warm covers, pajamas are a dream. The moon outside the window has a soft gleam. Drifting to sleep with a sweet lullaby, A million twinkling stars fill the night sky. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.